In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Lark. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your calendar, create a new event, add a clear title, set the right date and time, invite the right people, and generate a Lark video meeting link so everyone can join with one click. Start by opening Lark, either in the desktop or mobile app, or in your web browser after signing in. From the main navigation, head to Calendar. This is your hub for viewing your schedule by day, week, or month, and it's where you'll create and manage all of your meetings. If you use multiple workspaces or calendars, glance at the sidebar to make sure you're in the right one before you proceed. Next, create the event. Look for the button that says New Event or Create and select it. This opens the event editor, where you'll enter all the details. Think of this as the control panel for your meeting. Everything you add here will show up on the invite and in attendees' calendars. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive title. Type a name that tells people exactly what to expect, such as the topic or purpose, and include any useful context like a project or team name. A good title makes it easier for people to find later and helps them prepare. Now set the date and time. Pick the correct date from the calendar, then choose the start and end times. Double-check your time zone and keep an eye on the duration to make sure it fits the agenda. If your team is spread across regions, confirm that the chosen time is reasonable for your attendees. It's also helpful to avoid overlapping with other major events you see on your calendar. Add participants by entering their names or work email addresses. As you type, Lark will suggest contacts from your organization's directory. Select the right people to include them. You can add everyone who needs to be there and, if your workflow allows, mark some as optional. Attendees will receive an invite with all the details once the event is finalized, and they'll see it directly in their calendars. Finally, add a Lark meeting link. Click Add Video Meeting or Lark Meeting, and Lark will automatically generate a secure video link for you. This link appears in the event details and is included in the invite, so participants can join with a single click from any device. It's a good idea to confirm that the link is visible in the event description and to quickly review your time, attendees, and title before you wrap up. That's it. Your meeting is ready to go in Lark.